Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to record computer audio in Audacity. First, click on Audio Setup at the top of the screen. Then click on Audio Settings. From there, click on Host and choose Windows WASAPI from the drop-down menu. Now, in the playback section under Device, choose your speakers where the sound is coming from. For me, it's this option here. Then, in the recording section under Device, choose where the sound is coming from as well. This should be your speakers or system audio. Once you've selected both, click OK to save your settings. Now let's try it out. Click on the red dot button to start recording, and then play some music or any audio on your computer. As you can see, it's recording the audio perfectly. Let's stop the recording by clicking the black square button. Now let's check if it worked by playing it back. And voila, it's working perfectly. The computer audio has been captured successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.